Well, hello there, and thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I am here at Fellowship Lodge number 681. Do you know how I know that number? Because it's written on this marquee right here inside. Yeah, thank you for the honk. I appreciate that. So we're out here in this lodge. We actually got degree work. This is in Anderson, Indiana. Haven't done a video here in Indiana in a very long time. So looking forward to this, and come on and join us. We'll take a look at the inside of this lodge. And if you like videos like this, what you do is just come on, check out our playlist, which I'm going to put up right here. We'll put up our playlist. Check out our playlist and of Masonic buildings from around the country. So come on and join us. You just entered the Coolest Life, Masonic Edition. All right, so good news, we are inside. They got a nice little meeting room here downstairs. Looks like Eastern Star is being represented. And then we're going to check out the rest of the building, so come along. Well, they do have a nice dining room here. You can see they got dinner or something set up there, maybe some lunch, but it's good size. Got lots of room. They can probably rent this place out. I think got some stained glass work right up there above the, that looks really nice. And they got some things around Supreme Council, Sovereign Grand Inspector General, so there you go. Have maybe for a person. Maybe they got the Scottish Rite might meet here. They could have another Scottish Rite organization or club that might meet here. I don't know for sure. Maybe we'll see some more things upstairs in just a minute. One of the things when I first entered here is they've got these leather doors here. They got the leather built on, and they emptied out the room. We're nice enough to do that. Beautiful room. Really like it. And see, they got the columns directly in front of the senior warden. You see these a lot. Normally the columns, I would say, you see most columns are actually not here. They're actually beside the senior warden, but you don't see too many that are dead in front, like this one is. But they're really good. They're in good condition. Celestial globe. I like this column there. I don't see any senior warden marking on his column in the center, which I don't normally see. So a lot of pedestals aren't a column. But I like his also matching columns here for the legs of the chairs are really cool. And this goes up. The top of this chair is about 6 feet, so it's a good sized chair. And it's good to think that it matches the senior deacon there, or I'm sorry, the junior deacon that sits there. We've got a pounding block, looks like some place for us, maybe a staff holder. So this is another one of those doors that we just saw. You got the leather work on it. It's real nice. See, they got a knocker. Nope, no knockers. These are swing doors too. They go both ways. Nice. Oh, I really like these. I don't think I've ever seen this. Oh, well, here's something unusual. I don't think I've seen one built like that. It's actually got a Tyler sword here, and it's got the square, and they're all tacked together. Nice. The square itself does not swivel or anything, but the rest of it does. You use that to receive somebody. I don't think I've been in a lodge where they had the Masonic logos on every chair going around. Of course, they got dedications here. These are sometimes done as a fundraiser, or sometimes someone is passing. They'll put a marker on there. You can see the whole row in the back. They've got some that are empty, but they've got some there. Nice picture of George Washington. Well, good. We've got a rough ashlar here. I wish it would come in and focus a little better than that. And there we go. Got a smooth ashlar over there. I got a big TV screen here too. Sometimes I've seen places use this for degree work. Some use flip charts, but I see there's a TV screen there, so maybe they use that for the degree. I like these 3 big chairs. There's some working tools there. I don't see a ballot box laying around here anyway. And you know me, I'm a big fan of ballot boxes. I love these chairs. This is all one piece here. Wow. That's really cool. Really cool. Like the altar, his where he's going to speak from there. And see, he's got one of these hats. We've seen this in several other states. I think Tennessee was one of them that had a pretty regular for them to wear that hat. Got an extra one over there. So it's really cool. You've got a setting mall of sorts. I don't know what that could be used for. Hope, Faith, and Charity. Looks like this is their called Solar Lodge. Maybe Solar Lodge might meet here. Solar Lodge number 734 looks like they meet here. And what is this one here? Relations. Like some people have signed that one. It's unusual. Yeah, it's a little harder to read. Really like it. They got looks like they're wired for sound. I don't see any speakers coming down from the tops, but I do see this one here, an old school radio microphone. I don't see any other microphones coming down from the to the Worshipful Master or anything like that. It's like the state of Indiana flag here, and of course, Old Glory over there. Nice G up top. Piano. Let's see if someone uses it. More of the Masonic logos on the chairs. And this one here, Junior Warden chair, and it's about 6 foot also. Really good condition. You can see this one here is laying down, and so is the other one. This one probably should be standing. I'm gonna stand it up. But it's in really good shape. I like the holders there too. They're really in great condition. Got a nice big logo on the stone. And last but not least, we've got the another holder, another staff holder here. Another pounding slate. And they got their 3 lesser lights. These almost look like pool cues to me. I guess because I play pool, so that's why I would make the connection. But it's also one setting. Looks like it's a touch button. Nice. Nice. Got kneeling pads around the altar. None up here, so the master is not going to be kneeling. There's no Masonic logos on it that I could find. I do see the columns, the same kind of work that we saw at the senior wardens area and around the room. The same column workmanship, so everything really matches. Your altar here is beautiful, and it matches his podium here and the big chairs. So it's really cool. So if you're in Anderson, Indiana, and you happen to want to go to lodge, be sure to come by a fellowship lodge here in Anderson. I'm sure they'll welcome you like they did me. Looking forward to this meeting, especially some degree work. It's been a long time. It's been 2 years since I've seen degree work on the EA in the state of Indiana. Actually, it was when my brother was initiated. So it was really a great pleasure and honor for me to be there during that time. So come on, join us. Be sure to like and subscribe, and check out the other links I put inside this video, because you're now leaving the coolest life, Masonic edition.